Hi, Owls. It's Tuesday. Here I am to explain your work for today. We'll start with the seesaw activity, which, let's see if I can get it in there. It is this one right here, letter, sound, fluency. Read those directions. I loved hearing all of your sounds from yesterday. So go ahead and try this activity today. Be sure that you are not adding the sound to the end of your sound. So, for example, M is not M. We talked a lot about that this year. So be careful you're not doing that. If you get to the letter B, it's B, not B. Okay, I really want you to practice that. That's super important. Moving on is your math journal. And you are going to probably set up your page something like this. I've set it up mine. And in those boxes, you're going to draw all the sides of a die, which we've done a lot, but it's always good to practice so you know what they look like. So you go ahead and do that in each of those little squares. So here's my 1, here's my 2, right? You go through and do all 6 sides. And then today all you're going to do is roll your 2 dice. Let's see if I can do it here like this. I'm going to roll my dice, and I got a 6 and a 4. So I'm going to come over to my math journal, and it's probably upside down, but I'm going to write my first math problem, my first math equation, 6 plus 4 equals, and again, either your brain already knows the answer or you might need to count the dots. Let's see, I already know that's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 6 plus 4 equals 10. Let's see if I can get it up again and write your math problem. So I want you to do that 10 times. So that's your math for today. Oh, what else? Moving along. Oh, I want you to go to YouTube and click on the link. It is the story, Chickens Aren't the Only Ones. And this is a great story. It's going to tell you more about other animals that lay eggs. So it's not just chickens. We're hatching chickens, but I want you to think about some other animals that are laying eggs, egg layers, I should say, or there's a special word, which is oviparous. It's a tough one. Can you say it? Oviparous. So after you watch that, I want you to talk to somebody and tell them some animals that lay eggs, and maybe tell them something interesting about where they lay their eggs or what their eggs look like. Really think about all those details. Then you're going to create a special book, a snip snap book. We've never done this. I learned this a long time ago, and I'm really excited to share it with you. So you're going to need 3 pieces of paper. I only have blue paper at my house. And you're going to fold them really neatly. And parents, of course, you can help. And on the fold side, if you have scissors, it helps. If not, you can just rip it. But you're going to go down, and you're just going to make tiny little cuts. I don't know. You don't need that many. All the way down. And then you're going to snip, snap. You're going to bend one down one way and one down the other way. And you can go all the way down, bending, folding, and then it will keep your book together. Ta-da, like so. Now, if you have a stapler, you're welcome to staple it, but this is a fun way to make a little book at home. Snip, snap book. So, I want you to then work on the cover, which is My Oviparous Animal Book by and your name. And then you can decorate it any way you'd like to. We're going to meet on Zoom today, so I can't wait to see you. Bring your favorite stuffed animal, and I will see you on Zoom at 10 o'clock. Can't wait. Bye.